Look at this Pontiac that is just in. 1964 Le Mans two-door. Beautiful little car. This is originally a nocturne blue with parchment interior vehicle, and that's the way it is now. It's the way it would have came from Pontiac. We do have the PHS documents on this if you'd like to check them out, see what it had for options, and see what they have to say. Those can actually be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. They're within the picture section where I've pictured up the PHS docs, or feel free to call too if you'd like to know about those. The phone number would be 507-386-1726. This is a 326 car. It also came with an M20 manual 4-speed. That's still the way it's set up. 326 with a manual 4-speed in it. Power steering, power brake car. And so it is still equipped with those also. So pretty stock, the way that you would have seen this back in the day, 1964, when it rolled off the new car dealer's floor. I call it a very nice driver quality car. If you're looking for one, you can get in, turn the key, and go. This would be that type of car. Is the paint perfect on it? No, but is it very, very nice? As you can see by the luster, the reflection of our ceiling. See the fan spinning there, and obviously the lights and the rafters in the ceiling. Want to check out the underside pick, see how solid it is, engine bay, all of that. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. So you can check out any of the still pictures, underside, trunk, interior, etc. Nice stock wheels with some BF Goodrich radials. Again, you can see how nice the door fits. Show you how nicely the door closes too. After we fire it up, let you hear it run. Again, there's the 4-speed. Got your buckets. Again, the parchment vinyl, center console. Door cards. Take a look at the still pictures. I have pictures underneath the doors too. You can see they're not all rotted away. Very solid. This car is just nice and tidy all the way around. Let's go ahead and fire it up a second here. See how easily it starts, how nice it sounds. I believe also glove box owner's manual there. How cool is that? Temp controls. A little aftermarket tachometer at it. See the headliner, also very nice shape. Beautiful color all around. Look how the door closes. Come around back. Nice little throaty rumble out of that 326. Give us a call if you'd like to inquire about this vehicle, check on transportation, have any questions. 507-386-1726. And again, check out the underside pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Tell you what, I'll take it off that high idle just so you can hear it when it idles down a little bit too. Let's check this out. There, you give an idea how it sounds. Again, 1964 Pontiac LeMans 326 car, nocturne blue, parchment interior, M20 manual 4-speed. Unique specialty and classic. So check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.